Bacalhau à Brás is the ultimate Portuguese comfort food, salty, creamy, and crunchy. While the traditional version is a bit beige, adding seasonal vegetables brings some much-needed color and freshness to the plate. Here is a streamlined guide to making it happen. The fish, 400 growler salt cod, soaked for 24 plus hours and shredded, or fresh cod if you're in a hurry. The crunch, 200 batata palha, store-bought matchstick potatoes, or finely hand-cut fried potatoes. The base, 2 large onions, sliced thin, 3 cloves garlic, minced, and plenty of olive oil. The binding, 5 to 6 eggs, beaten with a splash of milk or cream. The seasonals, 1 zucchini, julienned, 1 bell pepper, thinly sliced, and a handful of asparagus tips or snap peas. Garnish, black olives, fresh parsley, and a squeeze of lemon. Oh. Sauté the aromatics. In a large, heavy-bottom pan, heat a generous amount of olive oil. Add your onions and cook on medium-low until they are soft and translucent. Don't brown them. Add the garlic and cook for another minute. Add the vegetables. Toss in your seasonal vegetables, zucchini, peppers, etc. Sauté them for 3–5 minutes until they are al dente. You want them to retain some structural integrity so the dish doesn't turn into mush. Incorporate the cod. Add the shredded cod to the pan. Increase the heat slightly and stir frequently for about 5 minutes. The fish should flake apart and mingle with the oil and veggies. The Brás shuffle. Lower the heat. Add the matchstick potatoes, batata palha, and stir gently to combine. Immediately pour in the beaten eggs. Constant stirring is key here. You want the eggs to create a creamy sauce that coats everything, not a dry scramble. Remove the pan from the heat just before you think the eggs are done. The residual heat will finish them off. Fold in a handful of chopped parsley. Season with black pepper. Be careful with salt, as the cod is naturally briny. This is the textbook pairing for a reason. Its light body and slight effervescence act as a palate cleanser, cutting right through the oil and eggs. Why it works? High acidity balances the salt. The spritz refreshes your tongue between bites of creamy eggs and potatoes. Look for an alvarinho, more body fruit, or a loureiro, more floral citrus. 2. The sommelier's secret, encruzado, down region. If you want something more sophisticated and structured, look for a white wine from the down region, made from the encruzado grape. Why it works. Often described as the Portuguese Chardonnay, it has a beautiful mineral depth and enough body to stand up to the meaty texture of salted cod.